In this video, we will learn how you can create events on the eMentoring platform. The first step in creating events is to define the categories. So before you even begin creating an event, you have to start thinking about what kind of events will you be creating in the future. So training, meeting, celebration, etc. Once your categories have been defined, then you can go ahead and create your event. Let's go back to the eMentoring platform and learn how to do this. The very first step is to create our event types or category, same thing. So you want to access your admin dashboard by clicking on the admin tab on the left. Then you're going to go to the customize section. Then you're going to click on this, categories. Once you click on categories, you will see two tabs, event types and resource types. So the default tab is the event types. So we will click on add event type and we will start defining all the different categories of event we might be hosting in the future. So I'll do a few examples here. And I'm going to keep on clicking on add event type until I'm done. So let's keep it at 3 for now. As you see, you can always add a translation on the right-hand side. On the left-hand side, the color fields allow you to enter a color code based on the type of event. And this is what it will do. So I'm going to click on my events tab. So this type of event was a training. So I'm just going to show you right here. I've selected training. And because in my categories, I set up training as a kind of blue color. This is the color you see on the left-hand side. So the label of this event will be blue. Once you're done, you're going to click on update and you are done. The next step would be to create your event. So what you'll do is you'll click on the events tab on the left and you should see a post option right here. So we'll click on that. And you're going to give your event a name and a description to start with. So let's do an example. And then we have a few other fields to complete. So location, is this online or is this in person? If so, where is it? So of course you can add a physical location. So for example, River Cafe. You can add the address. If it's online, you can add your Zoom link. So we'll do a fake Zoom link here. Okay, registration links. So this is interesting because Mentor City connects with Eventbrite. So if you had scheduled something on Eventbrite, you can add your registration link right here. So we'll do a test one just for fun so you can see what it looks like once it's completed. The price. You can enter a price, or of course, if it's free, you can enter that it's free. Who is this for? So is this event both for mentors and mentees, just mentors, just mentees? So we're going to put mentor at this time. You have to select a start and end time. So once you click on the field, the calendar will come up. You can simply click on a date, select a time, and you're going to do the same thing for the end date. And this is where the event types that you've created earlier will come up. And you'll have to select what type or what category basically. So is it a training, an information session, or an orientation? We've called this one mentor orientation. So we will select it's an orientation. You can also add an image. So basically your event will look more eye-catching, I guess, if you add an image. Something to be aware of is if you add an image, it will override the name of the event. So if you add an image, you should probably add the name of the event on the image itself. So I'm not going to add an image right now, and we'll do it after with an image so you can see the difference. Select custom fields. So if you have any custom fields for your user's profile, you can also indicate that this event is only for people that have selected a specific option under that custom field. And I'm just going to remove this for now. And don't send notification. This is if you do not want your mentors and mentees to be notified by email that a new event was created. I'm going to leave it on check because I do think it's a good thing that you actually receive a notification that an event has been posted. So we're going to click on create event right now. And there you go. This is what mentors and mentees will see. The only difference is they will not see the edit and delete option right here. So if we click on it, they will see the description of the event. They can add to their calendar. They would see the location. So of course, this is a fake Zoom link. And then if it's connected to Eventbrite, they would click on this and it would bring them to the Eventbrite registration. In the next video, we will learn how you can post announcement for mentors and mentees on the program dashboard.